everybody, it is showtime yet again. We're gonna make it happen this time. Not a lot of good reports yesterday, but that front's coming at 3 o'clock today, and they should be chewing right before it gets here. So as always, a wishy-washy scenario because you want to stay longer because the bite normally keeps getting better and better and better, but then your ride home gets worse and worse and worse. So hopefully we get on them early and get back early. That's the plan today. Morning routine, my favorite routine. Very foggy this morning, but heard it was the same yesterday, but it breaks right outside the marina when we get on the ocean, Gulf, whatever you want to call it. So, like I said, got to get out there early and got to get back early before the wind starts blowing. It's supposed to be blowing like 30, 40 miles an hour by 6 o'clock, so we don't want to be out there for that. We're tight in the slop. Doing good. Stay tight on him, buddy. Now who's going over there? Yeah. Reel, reel, reel. Walking back, walking back, walking back. Walking back. Walking back. Keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling. That's fine. Good job, buddy. Good job. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, buddy. Good shit. Yeah, we did. Good job. Let's get that hat. That's a good Wahoo. I was happy with you there. Good job. You're doing great on that. Got it. Yeah, we got one of the spot. That's what mine's called. Not really. If I ever needed it, it'd piss me off how long it took us in the message out. Wahoo number 2 in the slop. That ain't gonna go like that.
Alright, bud. There you go. Keep touching.
Keep reeling, pull out the rod over. Walk back, keep reeling, keep reeling.
Walk up.
Walk backwards.
There you go.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Good stuff, good stuff.
Hey, check out this bait.
Down the hat.
Good stuff, guys.
Take a look. Now he ate that.
Down the hat. He swallowed.
Pulling the baits in and he gets on another one. Reel, 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 reel.
Colt,
Run
one
that boat.
There you go. Make sure you stay tight with that stuff. Don't bump that lever.
Yeah, he's still going.
Start running.
The camera on. You ain't gonna stay in the way. Yeah.
Come up road like
Yeah. Pretty cool.
it's the same like general spot.
Yeah.
All these come within just a little area.
All right, got this one to the leader. There he is. Woohoo! Keep cranking, keep cranking. Yeah, Joe! Yeah, good stuff, buddy. That's awesome. He ate it on the retrieve.
Something about that turbine.
Third Wahoo on the deck.
Awesome.
It's a good one.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. That is the biggest one of the day, I think.
Hell yeah. That's freaking awesome.
Get one good picture of this fish. Getting it on ice and going to the barn.
There you go.
Here's a picture of the right feet.
Yeah, I'll stand him up.
All right, Colt. Come over here, buddy. I got. Get a hold of it.
On the retrieve now. On the retrieve.
Everybody.
Awesome, guys. Awesome.
Fish.
Now we gotta pay the price of admission. Getting home. Seven miles to go.
So do you want to try it out?
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I keep it dry. Yes, sir. Or you make sushi with it, or? Yes, sir. I treat it the same way too. So, alright guys, lump season is in full effect. Awesome wahoo fishing, normally good tuna fishing, and if none of that's going on, you can sneak right off the shelf and go sword fishing. So, lots of reward out there waiting on you if you're able to get out there when the seas allow you to. So, as long as you time that weather window right, it normally works out. So, anyways, that was that, and now we're gonna get ready for our next trip. Make sure the boat's all washed up and ready to go, tackle's ready to go, and I'm ready to go. So y'all stay tuned for the next one.